Welcome back from House of Gems. This is Alma. Today I'm going to show you how to add head pins or eye pins to top drill beads. So first you want to start from the bottom of your bead, since you want the loop to be on the top. And with your chain nose pliers, you want to leave yourself a good amount of space in between so that you have room to wrap the wire around. So you're going to turn to the side. Wire should look about this. And then with your your round nose pliers, you're going to pull the loop forward like so. And then here, you're going to wrap around the bead. And you can wrap as many times as you want. Just make sure it's nice and secure in there. Okay. And then when you're done, you just need a little trimming. And you don't want this little guy to be hurting you or stepping you in any way. So we're just gonna press them down a little. Just like that. And there you go. You attached a little ball head pin. I hope to see you next time for House of Gems. You have a good day. Bye-bye.